Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting the pairing now. First, confirm both AirPods and the case have charge and sit within a foot of the device. On iPhone, make sure Bluetooth is on. On Android, enable Bluetooth and open the required app. Once done, flip the case lid open with AirPods inside and hold it close to the device. You'll see the pairing animation on iPhone or a prompt on Android. Tap Connect or Pair. This initiates the exchange of identifiers and begins secure handshaking. Continue by following the device's setup prompts so the system can provision the AirPods to your profile. Name them, enable voice assistant or notifications, and grant Bluetooth permissions. For non-Apple devices, open the Bluetooth list and choose the AirPods entry. If it's not visible, press and hold the case button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes white to force pairing mode. Make sure one AirPod in each ear registers, and that audio routes correctly. Finish by testing playback, microphone quality, and automatic ear detection. Play a sample and switch apps to validate seamless handover. If things fail, reset the AirPods. Place them in the case, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED turns amber then white, then repair. Make sure the device's Bluetooth cache is clear. Remove old entries from the Bluetooth list before pairing again. If you still have issues, reboot the phone and repeat the reset. That resolves most stubborn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.